Fire him, a call this evening from the opposition for Daryl Vaz to be removed as Transport Minister. Mr. Vaz continues to face pressure over his approach to issues involving ride-sharing apps in Jamaica. Details from Nakinski Robinson.
Ban or no ban? And who can? Questions the opposition spokesman on transport, Michael Phillips, says are now floating around after the farce involving ride-sharing apps. Mr. Phillips admitted he had no issue with the ban.
No, we supported it. You know why we supported it? Because there's a national security issue. And we supported it.
But for him, the way the Transport Minister Daryl Vaz went about things was an embarrassment.
When a minister can come to Parliament without finding out the facts of his powers, make an announcement, and then 1 week after to come and say that the ban that he had made, that there's no ban at all because he did not have the power to even institute a ban. That minister needs to be fired, because what else is he fooling the people of Jamaica about?
Turning to another transport sector-related issue, bad roads and the cries to fix them, Mr. Phillips again feels the multi-billion-dollar Spark program can work.
But it's how that we're going to get it done in a way that you have longevity in the roads that are constructed, but also it's not only highways, but the interlands of the country.
But he reasons that if the government continues with the proposed formula, most Jamaicans will not feel the benefits of the Spark program.
29,000 kilometers of road right across the island will not get touched by the Spark program.
So this is his long-term proposal.
The solution for the deplorable conditions of our road is for Jamaica to have a dedicated road maintenance fund. That's the only solution.
He says dedicating funds in this way may, however, displease Jamaica's multilateral lending partner, the International Monetary Fund.
But sometimes we don't have to listen to the IMF when it is not in the best interest of our people.
Mr. Phillips was speaking at a divisional meeting in Greenville, Manchester, Saturday. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
Get